Welcome to our garden. This is Blissful Spaces, and we are going to do a tour where we explore the wonderful world of gardening with kids. Join us on this exciting journey as we showcase how to make gardening a fun and educational experience for children of all ages. In this garden tour, we'll unveil the secrets of fostering a love for nature in your kids. Our interactive gardening activities promote teamwork, patience, and a deeper connection with the environment. Watch us as our young gardeners learn about the life cycle and plants firsthand. Hello, this is Blissful Spaces, where we garden, cook healthy meals, and other favorites. And today, we're in the garden. Gardening is not just about plants, it's an outlet for creativity too. For adults and children, witness how our little artists express themselves. Children who participate in gardening are more likely to try and enjoy fruits and vegetables that they've grown themselves. This leads to a healthier eating habit and a better understanding of where food comes from. Gardening is also a physical activity that keeps our kiddos moving, digging, planting, and watering. It promotes activity play outdoors, which is beneficial for their overall health and well-being. Gardening is also therapeutic for children and adults. Don't we always feel better when we're out in the sun gardening? It reduces stress, improves our mood, and provides a sense of accomplishment and pride at the end of the season to know that we have harvested, we've canned, we've hydrated our fruits and vegetables and herbs, and we have enough to get us through the winter season and also through months of preparedness. We don't have to go to the store. Gardening teaches kids responsibility as they're tasked with caring for their plants regularly. It also helps them develop patience as they wait for their seeds to sprout and produce fruits and flowers. And as you can see, it was so exciting for Ladybug to see all the grapes and all the muscadines that has produced. And it's so exciting to be able to harvest. And today we will do a little bit of harvesting as you will be able to harvest with us. So go grab your baskets and your gardening shears, because here we go. Children learn to communicate and share responsibilities, and they work together with their parents, their grandparents, their siblings, as we all reach our goal to grow our own food, harvest, and save our seeds. Gardening allows children to use their creativity to design their garden spaces, choose plants, and create unique arrangements. It nurtures their imagination as they explore the wonders of nature. Gardening provides kids with the opportunity to connect with nature, fostering a sense of wonder and respect for the natural world around them. Preparedness and self-sufficiency. Learning gardening skills prepares children for the future, promoting self-sufficiency, resilience by knowing how to grow their own food. Go ahead and join us as we walk around and harvest all the fruits of our labor. By combining the educational and emotional benefits of gardening, kids can develop essential life skills while fostering a love for the environment. Gardening with Blissful Spaces on YouTube can provide helpful guidance and inspiration for families to embark on their enjoyable and rewarding journey together. In this video, I'm sharing some of our harvest moments and special bonding moments in the garden. Moments that we can never get back. But I'm so glad to be able to share with the youth. I love a purposeful gardening. The love of gardening. If you're new to gardening or a beginner gardener, it's never too late to learn how to grow your own food. Living a sustainable preparedness. Yes, we are living a preparedness lifestyle. Join us. let's head over to the kitchen. You will see a little footage of me washing some of the daikon radishes and carrots. I thought I was filming, but obviously I lost some of the footing of just washing and then preparing the storage of the vegetables that we harvested today. Thank you so much for joining me in the garden with my little helpers. It's always fun gardening with kids, and I hope this inspires you, encourages you to get out with your kiddos and garden. Preparedness gardening with a purpose. That is what we do here on Blissful Spaces as we garden year round. And I'm so glad that I was able to share with you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Until I see you in my next video, I hope that you will be tuning in. Stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. I'll see you in my next video. Blessings.